Hey guys, what is up today? It's the Casual Coder, and yeah, you guys just seen my unboxing of the Ducky One 2 mini 60% keyboard. The version I have is with the Cherry Max Blue switches. Basically my review of it, I've never really had a 60% mechanical keyboard before, so it's my first time getting used to it and just using it, and it just works as expected. Its build quality is really good. The rubberized feet stand up really nicely. I haven't had any issues with them like moving around or like having issues of it just like falling down. The keys sound really nice, and just like the overall build quality feels really solid, and it doesn't feel cheap at all. My only issue with this keyboard was the setup process, especially because I bought it just to use on my laptop. As you can see, my little budget setup as I had earlier, and it was actually a pain to set up, because essentially what you need to do is that you need to go on a Windows computer, download the drivers on the Windows computer just to set it up on a Mac, to let it use on a Mac, because the built-in keyboard recognizer on Mac just doesn't identify the keyboard. It'll boot up and it'll flash the lights, the RGB lights, but yeah, it just doesn't accept any input from it, so you have to plug it into a Windows computer and then set it up like that. Other than that, I have really no concerns, no issues with the keyboard. I'm really liking it actually so far, and it's been like a pleasure to type with, and it kind of makes me want to, sit at my desk instead of slouching on my bed. But yeah, I think I would definitely recommend this keyboard to others. It just comes with the caveat that if you are trying to set up on like a Mac, you just need a Windows computer beforehand to download the drivers. And yeah, that's basically it. With regards to the RGB lights as well, I do like the amount of functionality. Not functionality, it's not really that customizable. They have some presets and you can adjust the colors to a certain degree. But I do like just the standard pulsing with a singular color. That works for me. I'm not really that keen on multicolored or rainbow effects. Those don't really vibe that well to me, and I normally work in light. I don't want to mess up my eyes. I already have a pretty, not really that strong of a prescription, but I'd rather keep it as it is and not progressively damage my eyes further by working in the dark or in low light conditions. But yeah, it's a really good keyboard. Nothing much else to say. So I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing and my little review at the end. If you need a tutorial on how to actually set up the keyboard, feel free to hit me up. I might just chuck up a video to show you guys how to do it, because yeah, I had to find out the hard way, because I nearly freaked out. I was like, oh man, I bought this keyboard and now it's not working. But yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.